Hello everybody, my name is Kevin Abraham and I'm here to explain the first exercise in my web technology lab. The heading is Simple Web Design using HTML and my question is to create a document that conforms to HTML5 standards and has the following elements. Now I'm supposed to use these tags in my HTML coding. The required output is this. Now here I have a heading, the main heading is heading 1 and 3 subheadings. Now the first subheading has a text followed by a few links. The second heading has again a text with a list of ordered list and unordered list. Now and a third subheading has a text followed by a table. Now let's go to the coding. Now when we start HTML coding, you should start with an HTML tag and end with an HTML tag. Yes. Now the main two parts in HTML coding is the head and body. In the head we put the title. Now here I put the title as exercise 1 within the title tag. Now in the body, now I need to print heading 1. So that I put in h1 tag. Now there are 6 types of heading tags, that's h1 to h6. The only difference between them is the font size. Now h1 will have the biggest font size while h6 will have the smallest font size. Now since subheading 1 is a subheading, like I put that in h2 tag. Now here I have the text. I put a text in a p tag. Now p tag means paragraph. That means I put the paragraph text into a paragraph. Now here I have external links. As you can see, I put a div tag. Now div tag is used to put the contents in my web page into segments. We use that instead of break. Now here I have external link. Now this is the anchor tag. Anchor tag means I put a link, and if I click on that link, it navigates to a web page, that is this web page. Again I have another internal link. See, I have an anchor tag here which goes to this page. Then again I have an email. Now to put email links, this is the coding. Now here I have put an image. So I use the image source. This is the name of the image file, and it goes, when I click on the image, it goes to the required link. If suppose there's a failure that it does not go to the link, so this message gets printed, that is in the alt. Now next I go to subheading 2. Subheading 2 again is put in h2 tags, and I put the tag text in p tag. Now DL is the definition list. Under that I have put PHP as the definition title. Now DD is the definition data, that's the explanation of the title, so I put this in definition data. Again we have another definition title and definition data, and I close it with DL. Now for the ordered and unordered list. UL means unordered list. That means I arrange the list with bulletin tags, while LI I arrange the list in a sequence, like using numbers or alphabets. Now here if you see, I start the tag with UL. This is the first item under UL, and this is the second item. So if you check the output, these two are an unordered list, while here I started with an OL tag, that's ordered list tag. These are the lists. As you can see, they are in sequence 1, 2. It can vary, you can either do it in alphabets or numbers. Now going to the third subheading. Now subheading 3 I put again h2 tags. I put the paragraph in p tag again, and here I'm going to make the table. So to make a table, I use the table tag. So I want to set the border as 5 pixels, so that's why I put a tag as table border equal to 5 px, and under that so I want to create some rows, so I use the tr tag to create the rows. This is the row heading, that's the row name, so I put it in th tag, that's the heading tag. And as you can see here, I want to combine these 4 rows together into one, so I use the row span equals 4, means it combines 4 rows into one, and again this is the heading. Now I close the tag tr. Now here I want to combine two columns together. That's why I use col span equal to 2. And here I combine 3 rows together. These are respective headings. Now these are basically like bookmarks. So as you see here, I have put section ID equal to ID1. These are like identities. So if I want, suppose I want to go to, I'll just run the program and show you. Yeah, this is my output. So see, I have 3 bookmarks here. Go to heading 1, go to heading 2, and go to heading 3. If I click on go to heading 1, it goes directly here. And if I go to heading 2, it goes here. Like that, it goes. So I use the anchored tag for that. Now I'll just go to validator and check my coding. Now when I check it, there's only one error, and it's because they're asking us to use the CSS, but our question says to use the HTML. So that's it. Thank you.